Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, ensure your vehicle is locked and all doors are closed. We'll cover both the key fob method and using the Uconnect app. This feature is perfect for warming up or cooling down your Jeep before you even step inside. It's a convenient way to enhance your daily driving experience, especially in extreme weather conditions. Let's get started. Using your key fob for remote start is straightforward. First, press the lock button once. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button for about 2 seconds. You'll see the parking lights flash and hear the engine start, confirming the remote start is active. The engine will run for 15 minutes before automatically shutting off, or you can turn it off manually.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, if you're looking for a great way to relax while your Jeep warms up, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in bright sunlight. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
For those with Uconnect services, the app offers even more flexibility. Simply open the Uconnect app on your phone and log in. Select your Jeep Grand Cherokee, then tap the remote start icon. Confirm your choice and your vehicle will start. This method is great for starting your Jeep from a greater distance, like from inside your home or office, as long as you have cell service. There are a few important things to remember for successful remote starting. Always ensure your hood is completely closed as a safety measure. Also, if your check engine light is illuminated, the remote start feature will not engage. The engine will run for 15 minutes, then shut off automatically. You can extend this by repeating the process, but only once per cycle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.